Check it out, everyone. The Nissan Armada is a beast straight from the factory, but stock interior storage is a mess, and there are a few daily annoyances that add up fast. Today, we are running through 8 slept-on accessories you need for your Armada right now. All the links are waiting in the video description. Let's get into it. Kicking things off at number 8, we've got the 4D Tech Auto Start-Stop Eliminator. And this one genuinely deserves more attention than it gets. If the engine cutting off at every red light is already driving you up the wall, this is your fix. Plug and play install in just minutes. No cutting, no splicing, no programming whatsoever. Once it is in, it memorizes your preference and automatically disables auto start-stop every single time you fire up the Armada. No exceptions, no manual button pressing every morning, just done. It won't void your factory or extended warranty, won't mess with your remote start, and won't touch any other factory settings. If you ever want to re-enable start-stop, just hit the button on your dash like normal. Full control stays with you. Engineered and assembled right in upstate New York by 4D Tech, a US-owned company that has been in the automotive electronics game since 2013. Tested and confirmed compatible with the Armada. Straight up one of the best quality of life upgrades on this entire list, and it is not even close. Moving on to number 7, say hello to the LasFit cargo and backrest mats. Custom fit using 3-dimensional laser scanning for the Armada, these 100% TPE mats come with upgraded raised edges that resist curling and buckling over time. Anti-slip studs on the bottom, shock and sound absorbent, and easy to clean in minutes. Shields the cargo area from dirt, mud, rain, and salt in any season. Premium materials, precise fit, and LasFit backs it with a 30-day return policy for any reason. Sliding into number 6, check out the Armrest Armrest cover. Soft, breathable, skin-friendly material, custom designed for the Armada center console. Protects the armrest from pet claws, scratches, sweat, and daily wear that ages the surface fast. The elastic strap design locks it in place without tools and keeps it from shifting during use. Adds noticeable comfort during long drives by reducing arm and elbow pressure. Easy on, easy off, easy clean. A small upgrade that makes a real daily difference. Dropping into number 5, meet the Trunk Cargo Net. Nylon envelope-style net custom designed for the Armada with 2 hooks on top and 2 hooks on the bottom. Installs directly to factory mounting points in seconds, no drilling needed. 3 mesh locks on top keep items from falling out. Stops groceries, gear, and luggage from sliding around every time you corner. Lightweight, stretchy, folds flat when not in use. One of those accessories you will wonder how you lived without. Stepping into the top 4 at number 4, we've got the full car cover. 5-dimensional data design for a snug fit on the Armada, built from advanced UV-resistant polyester with a premium soft inner lining that won't scratch your paint. Reflective strips for nighttime visibility, driver's side zipper for quick access, windproof elasticized hem, and 4 buckle straps to keep it locked down on windy days. Weatherproof against rain, snow, hail, and sun. Protect that exterior finish year-round. Right in the thick of it, at number 3, here's the magnetic phone holder. Custom designed for the Armada's 14.3-inch touchscreen, this mount clips on cleanly without blocking the screen. Strong magnetic attachment works with MagSafe and includes metal rings for non-MagSafe devices. Compatible with iPhones 12 through 17, Samsung, Huawei, and more. 360-degree rotation for the perfect viewing angle. One-hand mount and removal. Keeps your phone accessible without taking your eyes off the road. Right behind the top spot at number 2, here's the dashboard cover. Flannel construction with densely dotted silicone backing that locks it in place. No slipping, no adhesive mess needed. Exact cutouts for all sensors and vents on the Armada. Blocks UV rays, prevents cracking and discoloration, absorbs heat to keep the dash cooler in summer, and cuts dangerous windshield glare. Double-sided sticker included for extra security. Protect your dashboard before the sun does the damage for you. And coming in at number 1, the center console organizer and under console tray, earning that top spot all day. A BS plastic and rubber construction sized exactly to the Armada's factory console. Drops right in, no modification, no tools. Divides the deep armrest box into upper and lower layers with clearly defined zones for coins, cards, sunglasses, phone, wallet, and more. Non-slip mat keeps everything quiet on bumpy roads. Clean console, zero clutter, everything within reach. Absolute must-have for daily driving. And that is your top 8 slept-on Nissan Armada accessories. Every link is right there in the video description. Go check them out and start upgrading your ride today. If this video helped, smash that subscribe button and stay with the crew. More content is dropping soon. Catch you in the next one.